Now that we have removed the evaporators from inside the bus, the back one that was installed over here and the one in the front, it's time to go under the bus and get our hands dirty so that we can remove the rest of the system, which consists of the hoses, electrical system, condensers, and the compressors that are installed in the engine. So this is gonna be not so much fun, but it needs to be done. Let's get to it. All of this stuff right here, including these fans. There's 2 of them, and we need to follow all the hoses. They go all the way to the engine where the compressors are. Perfecto. Bueno, sacamos la primera ya. Ok. Entonces ahora quiero sacar las otras.